In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to change the Roblox install directory. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. You can find out why your Roblox is installed by right-clicking the shortcut for the Roblox player and selecting Open File Location. As you can see, this is the default install location at your main drive on the Program Files folder. Roblox will create a new folder for itself and install all its contents here inside this version folder. Usually, the way to change the install directory is in the setup, but when you download Roblox from the Roblox website, it does not give you the option to change the install location during the setup for the game. What this means is that there is no way to automatically change the install location. What you could try to do is move this folder elsewhere and then launch Roblox from there. However, Roblox is a very annoying game, and if you launch Roblox and it cannot find the folder of the game within the Program Files folder, it will just reinstall itself again. So you would just have two instances of Roblox taking up space on your computer. Sadly, as of today, Roblox will not run if it is not installed in the default install location, and you cannot change the install folder for Roblox. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's not possible to change the Roblox install directory without external tools. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.